In this video, I'll guide you through how to generate an employment verification letter on Gusto. Whether you need this for a loan application, a new apartment, or simply to verify your employment status, Gusto makes this process straightforward and efficient. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, you want to navigate to your Gusto account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the sidebar on the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll see a tab labeled Documents. Go ahead and click on this tab. This area is essentially your hub for all things document-related within Gusto, so it's useful to get familiar with it if you haven't already. Now, within the Documents section, you're going to look for something titled Employment and Income Verification. This is a specific section dedicated to helping you with any verification needs you might have. Once you've located it, you'll see an option that says Start a Verification. Click on this option and you'll be seamlessly routed to the secure TrueWork portal. TrueWork is the third-party service that Gusto partners with to handle verifications, ensuring the process is both secure and efficient. Once you're in the TrueWork portal, you'll need to select the type of letter you require. Gusto offers a couple of different options to suit your needs. You can choose a standard employment verification letter if you simply need to confirm your employment status. Alternatively, if you need to provide more detailed information, you can opt for a letter that includes full income details. This flexibility is great because it means you can tailor the document to the specific requirements of whoever is requesting it, whether it's a landlord, lender, or another party. After you've made your selection, the next step is to download the generated PDF. This file will contain all the information you've requested in a clear and professional format. Simply save it to your computer or device, and it will be ready for you to send off to whoever needs it. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily generate an employment verification letter using Gusto. It's a quick and easy process that ensures you have the documentation you need when you need it. Remember, having these documents on hand can really streamline processes like applying for a mortgage or leasing a new apartment, so it's handy to know how to access them efficiently. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on using Gusto and other helpful tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.